Hi, my name is Ai. In this video, I want to explain how UVC light is useful for my daily life and my product review. So I hope this video will be useful for your daily life to sanitize everything and protect your family from bad virus. First, this is like UVC light box. This is very recommendable for mothers who have small kids because you can sanitize baby bottle and also children's toy, and also you can sanitize your makeup tool too. So very useful. You can sanitize everything you can't wash, including your headphone and also mobile phone. And this also has a function of drying, so you can also sanitize like many things like glass jar or kids toy. But this is like high heat, so you can't use for like this stuff, makeup stuff, or like everything which is weak to heat you can't use. But drying function is also useful for kitchen tool for me. Before you make jam, like you can sanitize all glass very clean and sanitize. So like this machine is very useful for like cooking too. So if you wanna sanitize eyeshadow, these two my grandma gave me long time ago. So before I use, I want to sanitize because I don't wanna like waste these because my grandma already passed away, and this is memorable stuff for me. So I'm going to sanitize. This I bought maybe 3 years ago, but still using. This is also this was also a good highlighter for me. I love this brand. So like if you are a makeup artist, this is also useful. And clothes, and you can just push this button, and you can sanitize 99.99% jam on your makeup tool. And this is UVC light. You can sanitize room, but this is direct UVC light, so dangerous. So you must be careful. Nobody will be there, and also you should wear this kind of glass to protect your eyes. And if you wanna make sure your UVC light is enough quality, you need to get UVC light check card, and you can easily check if it's real UVC light. Like this card can detect. You can also measure the level of ultraviolet, like this. This light seems to be weak ultraviolet. So always be careful because UVC light isn't good for human body, as well as UVA and UVB light. UVC light, maximum strength UVC light for sanitize is 253.7 nanometer. So when you buy UVC light product, please check nanometer. And UVA and UVB light, like sunlight include both UVA and UVB, as you know, because it's also harmful to human skin. Like many people in the US still like to like get suntan during summertime, but I really don't recommend to get suntan, like preferably, because it will absolutely damage your skin and promote aging. So UV light is effective to sanitize or kill bad bacteria, but also bad for human cell. So when you use UVC light, please like stay away from there. And such a small box is convenient to sanitize small stuff like headphone or mobile phone. I think this was very cheap, so I think it isn't strong enough like to sanitize very well. So if you want to like make sure all bad bacteria will be sanitized, I recommend you to use at least $100 to buy good quality product which made in the US, not made in China. This Recommendable UVC light vacuum machine, like I really love this product. My husband got me this as my birthday present and this is effective to remove pet hair from sofa and bed, and also at the same time you can sanitize because this vacuum machine has UVC light on the bottom and you can use safely without exposure of UVC light. And this is also recommendable who has pet allergy, cat hair allergy or house dust allergy, because remove like a small insect and also bad germ and house dust. So this really worth to buy, like little bit pricey than normal vacuum machine, but if you use often this product, like really worth to buy, I think. Yeah, if you have some question, please leave a comment for me. I hope you understand like what I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe, and I hope like your family can keep good health during this difficult time for human or people. Thank you for watching. Bye.